So today I'll be showing you how to add a solid color background to your Instagram story. So the first thing you want to do is create that solid color background. And to do that is grab your phone and go to Instagram stories, launch your camera and take a random picture like that. Okay. Now, once you take that random picture, you want to come to the three dots in the top right corner, tap on draw, and then pick a color. So let's say we want a purple background. So we're just gonna pick purple and then long press, and that's going to make a purple background. And then you can tap on the check mark, and then now we have our background ready. It's just time to add the picture or the video. So tap on sticker and then tap on photo. That takes you to your phone's gallery, from where you can pick the photo or video you want to add. All right. Now, mostly this only works for photos and not for videos. And so you can come here and pick a picture like that. And then now you can expand it and put it exactly the way you want. And then now you can now go ahead and tap and publish your Instagram story. So that is basically how to make a solid color background for your Instagram story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.